Our coverage of Computex 2026 is brought to you by Acer and Alphacool. Thanks, I guess. Be Quiet have quite a thing for making just the coolest looking cases in the world right now. So these are very early prototypes of the Pure Base 503 coming in two different flavors. We have the regular one right here with a solid front panel. Well, solid. It still obviously has airflow, it just doesn't have glass, unlike so many other fish tank style cases nowadays. If you want that, then there's also the LX right there. And as you can see, they're available in black or white. These are intended to be, while still on the cheaper side, because they're part of the Pure budget line, they're still intended to be rather feature rich and made for workstations as well. So as you can see, you can even turn this into like a NAS setup if you wanted to, with all of these additional hard drive bays. I believe you can add up to 8 in this thing. Unfortunately, still no 5¼ inch bay, which I'm still very salty about, but I know I'm one of the few people who still complain about that. Obviously, these things are absolutely amazing looks-wise. I don't think I have to explain why, but they're still kind of figuring out how it's going to look. Like I said, it's a prototype. And also another key thing about it is just the airflow. Similar to something like the Hype X50, you have the entire bottom there just for fans, and instead we're back to the good old days of mounting a PSU at the top. So the whole PSU shroud is this right here, nice and textured as well, and that's where your PSU is going to be hidden. So I find it very funny we're going back to the trend of having your power supply at the top. It's interesting to say the least. And of course, when it comes to airflow, you may have also noticed that you have a whopping 2 140mm fans at the back as well. In terms of any kind of pricing, obviously we don't know just yet, but availability wise, hopefully sometime in early next year. Huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Jason Rage, Alan Froniak, Balash Rokan, Alan Sudin, Meg Sonderstein, Orcraft and Mason Magruder.